Watch how fast and easy raw material verification can be for anyone. Barcode scanned, correct operating procedure automatically selected, instant result at the touch of a screen. Introducing MiraP, the new handheld analyzer for the pharmaceutical industry. Large batches with many containers? No problem. The container mode walks you through each container step by step. MiraP's flexibility is unmatched. Use the ball probe attachment to collect data through direct contact. Use the vial holder to check samples in vials. Use the tablet holder for solid dosage forms. MiraP provides you with the compliance you require, and the software is designed around your daily routine. Our new calibration standard follows USP and EP guidelines. PDF and XML reports are automatically generated on every synchronization. The color-coded audit trail gives you peace of mind every step along the way. Increase the productivity of your team now with MiraP from Metrome.